Welcome to Professional Networkers course on public speaking. I am Joseph Stover and this is segment 3, and the topic for today is organizing your speech. The first step in organizing your speech is to think about who you are speaking to and also why you picked that particular topic. 2, as you're gathering your material, you need to start thinking about what is the most logical order each point should be. You're going to go point 1, point 2, point 3, but what would be the most logical way to share those points? After you decide what would be the most logical way, step 3 would be to start sorting the supporting research that goes along with those points. Another thing you need to do is to think about the time, how long you want this speech should be. Is it going to be a 3-minute speech? Is it a 5-minute speech? Is it going to be a 10-minute speech? And so on and so on. As you are writing your speech, you need to keep in mind different things that you can do or say or share that will keep the audience attention on what you're trying to communicate. As you're putting this together, you're stating a problem, and then you need to state a solution. After you've stated your problem, solution, the next phase is to what I like to call some kind of a call to action. Come up with a good closing and go out with a bang.